Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are unfamiliar with who I am Christina Angelina, and I want to share with you guys what I got in my BH haul. So I got a order from BH Cosmetics. They were having like this crazy sale of like 50% off, and I've been building up a client MUA kit. And I thought this is perfect because I've heard such great reviews and I've been watching a ton of freelance videos, and a lot of these girls have palettes from BH Cosmetics. So I said this is the perfect time to stock up on some things. I didn't get crazy, I didn't get too many things. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, just about almost 10 things, so I will share with you what I got. The first thing that I actually ran to see if they had on sale was their Ultimate Brow Palette. I've seen this in quite a few of girls' their freelance kit, so I was super excited. So this is what it looks like. There are 3, 6, 9, 12 shades. There's actually 8 powders, and then I believe the bottom 4 are, what are the bottom 4? And 4 wax shades. So I mean, this is a pretty good array of colors that will fit a ton of different skin tones. This kind of reminds me of the Anastasia's brow palette, except hers even have more shades because they're duo. But these shades look, oh, I scratched it already. It's like inevitable when you're doing a haul to scratch one of your shadows and then you cry about it. So, and they're super creamy, which I really like. They're not powdery. There's hardly any fallout. Yeah, these are really nice. So I'm hoping, these are just a couple like quick swatches on myself. So I'm hoping that this will work. I do have a client coming soon, so I will try this on her. I know I'm digging my fingers into these, but don't worry. I always disinfect everything. Like, I feel like ever since I've been doing clients now, like I'm obsessed with disinfecting every little thing. Like even, I probably won't even swatch each and every one of these, but because they are brand new, you just never know, I will spray alcohol and disinfect everything because you can never be too sure. You just want to make sure, especially handling other people's faces, that you are being as sanitary as possible. So that is the brow. Then I got this nude blush kit. This one is a 10 colors of just nudes. It's always good to have like an array of, if I can open this, an array. We're gonna have to just get crazy because we're not keeping the box anyway. Ooh, I love that this is hard. I haven't really opened anything. I looked at everything, but I didn't take anything out of the packaging. So this is a plastic, which I really like. Hopefully that means that it won't get dirty. It has a little clasp here, and look at these shadows, or look at these blushes. Look how pretty these are. Oh, I love, 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 love. Oh wow, wait, let me look. So there are some shimmer shades and there are some matte shades. This color looks super pretty, like this orangey color. Let's see. Ooh, like butter. Oh my god, look how pigmented that is. Look how beautiful that is. And it's super, super creamy. Okay, I'm so excited to use those. Okay, I'm not even keeping the packaging because they're staying with mama. So next, I got the Neutral Eyes eyeshadow palette. This has 28 colors. They are all neutral because I think it's important to just have a neutral shade. Oh, I'm obsessed with this packaging. Like, I was not expecting this. Look, it's plastic, so you can see all the shades you have. So we're just about to let me go the entire rest of this haul with lipstick on my teeth, right? So, no, nobody's gonna tell me, right, that I have lipstick there? Okay, thanks, guys. So you don't have to keep, like, opening and opening and opening, like, palettes to see which one you need. No, you can look through here. Granted, it's a little frosty, but this is much better than being able to see nada. So nice. This is really nice. This is such a nice palette. I keep forgetting they all have these plastics. So you have your nudes. You have your nudes, you have your very light shades. These are perfect for like in the crease. Then you have these little deeper ones. This one's like a plum and it has shimmer to it. This one has some shimmer. This one has like more like reflex, like I see purple and blues and golds. This one's kind of just like with some brown shimmer in it. This color is like, hi, I just want to bring life to the party. This is like the most pinky, glittery shade in here. It stands out from everybody. It's like, hey, I made it in here. I'm the life of the party, you guys. This is so nice. These look so, they're so pigmented and creamy. Look at that. They're so nice. And look, I swipe and you see like no fallout. This Aqua BH on a good day. Then this one is their blushed neutrals. So this is 26. Well, how many was this? This one was 28 and this one is a 26 color eyeshadow. Oh, and a blush palette. So it's blushes and shadows. Aww, I'm sad. This one does not have the clear case. See, like this one just makes it so much easier for you to see. This one is covered, which I'm kind of disappointed. I wish they would have kept this one with a clear cover too. Now this is nice. I feel like these will work so well together because you have your really light shades and then you can spice it up with some color with this palette. These are really beautiful. And then you have your matte blushes, your shimmer blushes. Some are matte, some are shimmer. Oh, and then another pink one that's like, hello, I'm the life of the party. I think this is perfect to have in your kit. Like, I don't see why not, especially for the prices that I paid. Let's see, do I even have the list here? No, it doesn't have a list. Okay, so those were the only palettes that I got. And then I got this bronzer here. This is their Brilliance bronzer. It's a satin finish bronzer. So I've been wanting to get a bronzer that isn't matte, that will give a little bit of a glow or sheen, but not look like you just like glitter under your cheekbones. So it looks like this. Oh, love the packaging. It's white and gold. It's very nice and lightweight, and this is the color. This is actually Bronze Babe, and I want to say this is the medium shade, so they have a darker and they have a lighter. I decided to go in the middle just to play it safe. So buttery and creamy. Super, super, oh yeah. This one does look like it's this one here. This one does look like it's a little bit on the orange side. It looks a little bit orangey. I don't know how I feel about that. It's looking a little orangey. Like, I probably have to put that on my face to play around and see first. But I definitely don't want clients walking around like an Oompa Loompa. So I'm gonna try. Is this? Oh, magnetic. I give it that. It's an Achiever Radiant Sun-Kissed Glow with our Brilliance Bronzer. Silky, blendable formula, offers lightweight, buildable coverage with the satin finish. Sweeps smoothly onto cheeks, chin, forehead, décolletage for a natural lit from within glow. Now, I'm sold on it. That's why I got it. But it did blend out really nicely, but it looks a little orangey. I'm going to have to play with this shade, and I will update you like on my Instagram, or ask me down below and I'll let you know. Next I got was brushes. So I definitely need to up my brush game. So I got, this is their Brush V1 Vegan large powder brush. So whoa, that is, whoa, that's a monster. I've never ever had a brush so big. Oh, it's so soft, super, super soft and fluffy. Look at that. I've never had a brush this big before. I could see this for like a quick setting powder, or like to really just give the skin a, not a contour, but just like to bronze it up and warm it up. Next is brush 3. This is a small contour brush. This looks like, okay, that one had a hair sticking out. This is a black, matte black handle, silver on the top, and this is just a smaller, it looks like just a miniature size brush of the other one. And that should be really good for a good contour. I've been needing a contour brush. I have like these angled ones, which I love for myself, but on clients, I guess it's just the way that you work. It was not working. So then the next one I got is brush V13. This is a vegan brow definer and blender brush. So I guess this whole line is just vegan when it's the gray or silver packaging, which is super cool. Dual brush. So one is for eyebrows. That's what it said, right? Eyebrows. It's a brow definer blender brush. So I assume this angled is obviously to do the brows. It's not that thin. Maybe if you once you put product onto it, it can work. But I don't see this for like hair, like brush strokes or anything. And then this blending brush looks almost perfect for shadow. Brush V4 vegan foundation brush. So I've been wanting something to swipe on the product and then, you know, work it into the skin, but eventually move on to the beauty blender just to make it even more flawless or seamless. The last thing I know I spoke about, because my camera died, was this foundation brush. So I brought everything myself, but I will leave some codes down below, or at least links. I'll try to get you a coupon code, but I do have links that you can click down below. Make sure that you follow them on Instagram just so that you know about when they're having their next sale. And yeah, that's it. I hope you liked everything I got in my little haul. If you have any questions, ask me down below. If you have any requests, leave them down below. Let me know if you have anything, or what you think, what else do you think I really need from like BH Cosmetics. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you hit the like and the subscribe button, and just leave me a little comment down below. Just say, hey girl, how you doing? Like, hi. And I will see you guys in the next video.